Hey guys, it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. We are now in September, and today our agenda is our expectations. We're going to go over those all the time. We're going to check in about your rose, thorn, bud, and then what's going on in this picture. So, expectations, your mic is on mute when you're in our live interaction. Please keep the camera on. Use the chat box for questions. What's learned here leaves here, and then everyone will contribute to today's learning. So, icebreaker. In the chat box, they were to type, "Where am I?" Hopefully, you know the answer to this question. It is a famous historic landmark. So, Monday's assignment was our PEG's introduction. So, when we have an assignment, the next day we're going to ask you if you have any questions or anything like that. So, what did you think about the PEGs? Is the acronym easy to remember? Which one do you think will be most interesting to learn? And which one will be the least? And what questions do we still have? So geography, is so much cooler than you think. So this video, you're going to watch it and then you will move on to the next slide. So on your own, view the physical geography and maps, which are in the Google Slides. You're going to make sure to read them carefully. Don't just look at them, like read them because there's a lot of information. Watch the videos, click on the links, and then you're going to practice reviewing the terms with the Quizlet link, and then you're going to complete the Schoology assignment. So make sure you're doing all these things. All right. So in your Schoology, make sure you're on August 31st through September 4th. You're clicking on Tuesday. And you're going to, again, do these things in order. So you have the physical, geography, and maps. It's going to take you to a Google slide. You should have a link, so make sure you click that link. Now, make sure you're reading everything and following the directions. All right, make sure you play the video where it shows you to play. Here's another video. Reading the directions about parts of a map. Here's an example. And then your turn to practice. So you're going to click here for the Quizlet Sept. So you're going to click on that link and it'll take you to where you need to go. Then you're going to go back. And then you have the Quizlet flashcards in case. So that'll take you here to types of maps and parts of a maps. If you have never used Quizlet, it's going to give you the term or the definition. So it says a map that shows physical features and landforms such as mountains, hills, plains, rivers, and lakes. You're going to click again to see the term, and it should tell you a physical map. If you're like, what is that again? You can click it, and it'll show you the definition again. Then you click the arrow to the right, and it'll take you to the next one. What's a political map? Tap on it, and it's going to explain all that to you. And then the last one is kind of an assessment. We want to know where you stand. So it's the types of maps and parts of a map. You're going to click there. You have 2 attempts to turn this in. You only get 2. Once my internet figures out where we're going, there we go. It's thinking. There we go. Yours will look a little different than mine. Yours is seeing the teacher's point. And it'll tell you have 2 attempts, and then you submit them, and then you turn it in. If you have any questions, please email me.